this one's pretty nice.
We picked up the most random foods.
Shoot!
Hi everyone, I'm on the way right now with my roomie Mela. Oh. We are on the way to Pottery Barn because she wants to pick up a few things. This morning we actually unboxed the dining table that I was really excited to finally open, and it looks so good in person. What did we do?
It's a more box!
Yay, another box! Thanks!
Oh my god, where is this table?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. There you go.
Ooh, it's a pretty color. It's so light and it looks like it's nice quality.
No, it looks nice.
This is some sexy wood, you know what I mean? Oh, it looks good.
It has a little like article thing here. It's a nice detail.
I like it a lot.
Mela said the box is upside down.
Any dinks?
Nah, I mean it looks pretty well wrapped.
Here.
I love how easy it is to assemble this table.
It's like easier than IKEA furniture.
Pretty much. I hadn't seen any of the furniture pieces in person besides that one this morning, and I needed help with that because the boys needed to bring it in. I didn't realize how heavy it was going to be because it's a solid oak table, but I'm really happy with how that looks. And then later I have to unbox the chairs that go with it, and I'll show a few other pieces that I got for the house. I said on my Instagram already that the house got pushed back again. The original date was supposed to be January, and then it moved to February, and then mid-February, and then now March. So it's really freaking annoying because I'm so excited for it, but I am still getting all the furniture pieces in. I ordered everything for Black Friday because the sales were so good. Yeah, so it's gonna be extra annoying to move because of all the pieces that are gonna be coming in. I'm trying to push off some of the furniture pieces for later as much as I can. I will check in at Pottery Barn. Oh, that's really soft.
I think I like this one a lot. It's kind of a cream color.
I like the cream color.
Yeah, and I kind of like
Ooh, look at my nails on it.
Ooh, so cute. All together, look how cute.
Wait, I like that one.
Yeah, so I like that. And then the other one's on this side, I think.
Were they here?
Small versions. But this would be one of the small ones.
It doesn't
Or I
feel
can
as
do a
soft
mix
because it's
and
so
match.
small.
But
It's cute in appearance, but the firmness I don't like. What do you think?
I don't know, I feel like I could still snuggle with this guy. Here, just put your hat on, you'll fall asleep in 2 seconds, because that's where you do.
Actually, this one's pretty nice.
It's nice, right?
At first, it reminded me of those the burgundy ones that you had. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
So those were like really firm. This is
But this is not that, yeah, it's not as firm.
This is really nice. I really like the first ones you showed me. Wait, did I get fur all over me?
Probably. So many faux plants in here. This is a Calathea orbifolia. Got an orchid. Succulents. How's it going?
Oh, you can machine wash these?
I feel like
That's cool.
would that not ruin it? They're so nice. I really like the texture of them.
Tumble dry low.
They're so soft. It's still not as, you know what, it's not as soft as those ugly ones that we saw at Target that I was in love with.
We're so comfy.
Yeah. Now in Crate and Barrel, and this is the cutest measuring cup, and then the measuring spoons with the gold. Huh?
You were still talking to me and I was ignoring you. Said, are you gonna get something like this or no?
Probably not, but if I did, I'd get that. That's really freaking cute. I really like that. I was looking at this collection online. I'm now in Crate and Barrel, and I was looking at this sideboard but trying to use it as a media console because it's 70 inches wide, and that would be perfect for a 65-inch TV. I like how it's white, so I wouldn't have to worry about it matching with the rest of the stuff in the dining room. I like it. So Mel and I randomly stopped by, what was it, a Japanese grocery store because it looked cool, and we picked up the most random foods. I got these matcha green tea wafers because this brand is like really delicious. We've had I think the coconut one last time. My husband randomly wanted the coconut one. And then I grew up eating these, but she's never had it, and I'm really excited for her to try it. So I got this melon ice cream bar. I don't know, it's just really good. And she loves these, so she's really excited to find these. The Honeydew Shake Candy by Milkita?
Milkita? Maybe.
If I'm butchering that, sorry, but we're gonna try that as well. And then, well, she got two bags of that. And then, what else did you get? Wait, what is this? This is the, she picked this up for her husband, Monster Dragon Tea. That actually sounds really interesting.
Yeah, I kind of want to try it.
It's light and refreshing and low in calories, and it's an energy drink. Okay, and you have to get the sriracha. They had a giant thing of sriracha in there, and I love sriracha, so one day I feel like I could get that. Mela needed some fish sauce. Oh yeah, Aaron was telling me that you were gonna attempt pad thai. You never made it before, right?
No, I've made it. I've made it before, and then Aaron's dad taught me how to make it.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Well, out of that entire grocery store, most Asian grocery stores have like rows of fish sauce, and that one had one. It was a really interesting one. They had like really cool snacks, as you could see. We're gonna try this matcha one right now. It's gonna be a real cute angle real quick. But it's gonna be so good. It really smells like matcha to me though. Red light, you get one.
Oh.
What do you think?
Oh my gosh, it's good.
It's really good?
Mm-hmm. It doesn't have too strong of a matcha flavor, but it's good.
This brand is really good. You can find it at like Home Goods in random places like World Market, and apparently this Tokyo grocery store, this Japanese grocery store.
Oh, the after flavor is so good.
Oh my god, yeah. It tastes
really
like
taste the matcha.
it's like really rich, and then when you're first eating it, you don't really taste matcha, and then afterwards you taste it. So it's yeah, it's good.
Yeah, that's good.
So we got back from Pottery Barn, and what Mela wanted was this. Look how cute it is. It's so big and fluffy. It's really soft. Except that it kind of sheds a little bit, so we're thinking about vacuuming it. Oh, did I say?
I'm like, tell them what it is.
Oh, this is a pillow cover. It's for a really large pillow, as you can see. See? So she got 2 of those. Anyways, here is more furniture. So we already opened the dining table that I showed earlier. These are chairs that go with it. Did I ever say the other one was? Oh my god, I'm like all over the place. The table is from Article. I got these chairs from All Modern, and then when I ordered from All Modern, I didn't know that the brand was Safaviya until it came, so that's pretty cool. Safaviya, like, they carry really cute furniture. So there's 3 boxes, and there's 2 chairs in each. Freaking hate styrofoam. Solid wood, I don't know what type this one is. I don't know if it's oak.
It's kind of got a mid-century vibe to it.
Yeah.
I like it.
I feel like this is supposed to like help the floors, but I feel like that would scratch the floors.
You can put the velvet
Yeah.
fabric ones
Because
on
it's
it.
like a plastic piece.
Ooh, I have a bunch for my plant pots. So you can have some. Oh, it's stuck on the other chair. That's why. Okay, you're committed. You have to take both of them out.
Okay.
Oh, be careful.
I don't know how it smells. It's like a workout. This is lighter than the table.
It's quite a bit lighter.
Dang it.
I wish we didn't tape it up. Yeah. I wish we checked on it early.
I thought it was going to match the table more. So the table looks like it's more this color, and then this one is like much lighter, but most of this chair is a lot lighter. This is what it looks like up close. I do? I'm just not fully opening it, all of it, because I have to put it back in the box. I don't want it to be too difficult to pack up again. But we're actually opening the table up again to see if this is going to be too light for it. I think we should build the table. What do you think?
We could have done it.
Oh, look at it.
I mean, look at this madness here. See all these nail polishes? I can do projects. We can build a table.
Apparently, this assembles in 15 minutes.
You see all your nail polish?
Don't.
You know what I gotta put in that?
What?
Super glue.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna fake meal prep, offer you a meal,
You poison it?
and poison it.
Wow.
I'm gonna leave all of
The
this
secret
in.
ingredient is laxative. Yeah, it's darker.
A lot
A
darker.
lot darker.
Shoot!
I mean, it's like having white chairs with a.
I know, that's what I was saying, so it might not look that.
Chair, table.
Oh no! It's so much, it's so different.
Yeah, it's like a red.
Shoot!
So you need to buy oak chairs.
I'm sorry to laugh at your pain.
I have to return these.
What are those?
I have to return 3 giant boxes. Good thing I only opened up 1 box.
Better to find out now.
So the chairs were kind of a flop because of the color. It's not gonna look good together with the dining table, so I'm happy that that was opened up again so we could really compare. Kind of sucks because I am gonna have to waste like $60 something to return them, but I'm probably gonna get the chairs from Article because I know for sure it's gonna match and I won't waste any more money by having to do more returns if the color doesn't match up right. So I think I'm gonna hold off on buying those chairs until we're actually moved in. This stuff takes up a lot of room. Anyways, I'm gonna leave it on a good note because this is a really cute side table that I actually found at Home Goods and it was only $40 and it's solid wood. It has such intricate details on it. It's so cute. It's like very boho. And oh, the bottom's kind of like the dining table.
Yeah.
The legs kind of layer out like that. And this color is kind of, it's pretty different from the other woods, but I'm okay with mixing the woods as long as it's like a light wood. And then I actually got a coffee table that is pretty similar in color, I think, at least online, to this. So I'm super excited about that. It's my dream coffee table, so that is going to be delivered like way later on because I scheduled it to be delivered late. I try to schedule things as late as I can for delivery because I don't want the move. I mean, I don't want to take up like that much room. I feel like I'm talking forever. Okay, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Let's get reaction.
Thumbnail?